finally get to check this thing out. Look at this, a 5500, a Scenic one. Oh. Maybe this is a 3300 XL. No, I think it's 5500. This is really cool. So, an interesting story about this. I came to this building a couple years ago now, and they didn't have an elevator, but they were installing this. I couldn't tell what it was, but then I came back and I saw that it was a Schindler, but it wasn't installed yet. It wasn't done being installed. Now it's done. You can see how much older this building is, and this elevator is very new. It doesn't have like a whirring door operator, and it doesn't say elevator is going down. I think this is a 3300. You don't come across Scenic ones that often. And that'll be it.